Question 1. Explain about data import in R language. Answer. R commander is used to import data in R language. To start the R commander GUI, the user must type in the command rcmdr into the console. There are 3 different ways in which data can be imported in R language. Users can select the dataset in the dialog box or enter the name of the dataset. If they know, data can also be entered directly using the editor of R commander via date new dataset. However, this works well when the dataset is not too large. Data can also be imported from a URL or from a plain text file, ASCII, from any other statistical package or from the clipboard. Question 2. How missing values and impossible values are represented in R language? Answer. Nan, not a number, is used to represent impossible values, whereas N not available is used to represent missing values. The best way to answer this question would be to mention that deleting missing values is not a good idea because the probable cause for missing value could be some problem with data collection or programming or the query. It is good to find the root cause of the missing values and then take necessary steps handle them. Question 3. R language has several packages for solving a particular problem. How do you make a decision on which one is the best to use? Answer. CRAN package ecosystem has more than 6,000 packages. The best way for beginners to answer this question is to mention that they would look for a package that follows good software development principles. The next thing would be to look for user reviews and find out if other data scientists or analysts have been able to solve a similar problem. Question 4. What is the best way to communicate the results of data analysis using R language? Answer. The best possible way to do this is combine the data, code and analysis results in a single document using Nitra for reproducible research. This helps others to verify the findings, add to them and engage in discussions. Reproducible research makes it easy to redo the experiments by inserting new data and applying it to a different problem. Question 5. How will you convert a factor variable to numeric in R language? Answer. A factor variable can be converted to numeric using the as.numeric function in R language. However, the variable first needs to be converted to character before being converted to numeric because the as.numeric function in R does not return original values but returns the vector of the levels of the factor variable. Question 6. What are the different type of sorting algorithms available in R language? Answer. Bucket sort, selection sort, quick sort, bubble sort, merge sort. Question 7. What is the best way to use Hadoop and R together for analysis? Answer. HDFS can be used for storing the data for long-term, map-reduced jobs submitted from either RUSI, Big or Hive can be used to encode, improve and sample the data sets from HDFS into R. This helps to leverage complex analysis tasks on the subset of data prepared in R. Question 8. What is the difference between data frame and a matrix in R? Answer. Data frame can contain heterogeneous inputs while a matrix cannot. In matrix only similar data types can be stored, whereas in a data frame there can be different data types like characters, integers or other data frames. Question 9. What are factor variable in R language? Answer. Factor variables are categorical variables that hold either string or numeric values. Factor variables are used in various types of graphics and particularly for statistical modeling where the correct number of degrees of freedom is assigned to them. Question 10. What is meant by k-nearest neighbor? Answer. K-nearest neighbor is one of the simplest machine learning classification algorithms that is a subset of supervised learning based on lazy learning. In this algorithm, the function is approximated locally and any computations are deferred until classification.